SPACs are back. Any SPAC want to take the launch pad public? Start the countdown. Welcome back to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take trending investment ideas and try to take them to the moon. I'm head of Mission Control, Aaron Davis, and this week we're launching back into the world of special purpose acquisitions companies, or SPACs. 2 weeks ago, we looked at Trump's merger with Digital World Acquisition, which in turn caused DWAC to reach unimaginable heights. This is certainly a reminder of how profitable SPACs can be. Before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's launch back into the world of SPACs and see where it might take us. Once again, for those just joining us and may be unfamiliar with SPACs, the term stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company, which again are essentially groups that have a lot of money and merge with a smaller private company, thereby acquiring them in order to take the small private company public. In the past few weeks, the investment world was reminded of how profitable SPACs can be with the rise of Digital World Acquisition as a result of the announcement of a SPAC merger between the company and former President Trump's Trump Media and Technology Group. The idea of a single celebrity endorsement and backer has proven the power of a popular individual can have in the SPAC space. According to Matthew Tuttle, CEO and CIO of Tuttle Capital Management, Trump has, quote, made SPACs great again. While SPACs did lose a bit of their luster in the trailing year, the announcement of the merger between Digital World Acquisition and Truth Social seems to have breathed new life into the idea of SPACs and the opportunity they present towards investors. Investor Place has been closely monitoring some of the SPACs that offer these opportunities, as SPACs seem to be trending once again throughout the investment world. First up, we have a SPAC that launched last year that may prove to be a great long-term investment. AST Space Mobile, ticker ASTS, launched into the NASDAQ with the backing of New Providence Acquisition Group. Investors of AST are hoping to be the first backers of the, quote, first and only space-based cellular broadband network accessible directly by standard mobile phones, end quote. The concept is revolutionary, giving anyone in the world broadband connectivity. Investor-based contributor David Moedel suggests buy and hold position as the company is exhibiting growth, but may take a while for consumers to accept the concept of universal broadband. Rumors are abuzz with the acquisition group social capital Sophia 6, which may be ready to announce its merging partner. Retail investors are speculating that it could be Discord. The popular messaging platform that serves as spaces for like-minded communities has at least 350 million users across its web and mobile platforms and is used by 56 million people each month, sending a total of 25 billion messages a month. The aforementioned rumor that social capital will be the one to back Discord has already caused a spike in price for the company, and if rumors prove to be true, could indicate an important buying opportunity. Next, we have the recently announced Swedish electric car maker Polestar Performance AB's merger with Gores Guggenheim. The company will be renamed to Polestar Automotive Holding UK and will be listed on the NASDAQ SPSNY. While the idea of an EV maker going public through a SPAC is nothing new, the merger is substantial for a few reasons. The first being the Gores Group has a long history as an investment company with over 30 years of experience and more than $4 billion invested in over 120 acquisitions. Likewise, Polestar has an equally long history as a company. Founded in 1996 with a historical partnership with Volvo, the combination of a top reputable EV maker with an experienced investment firm makes the stock an investment opportunity worth monitoring. The high potential to achieve better than expected financial performance doesn't mean the stock is risk-free. As Investor Place contributor Stavros Georgiadis suggests, I would still advise you to wait though. Polestar should provide us with positive economic data over the next quarters as a public company to make its story of success more plausible. I like Polestar and its products a lot, maybe because I love performance cars. The mix of business heritage sounds great, and the values such as design and quality are exciting. Wait to see strong real financial results though. Polestar, I'm waiting to be electrified by your financial performance. Finally, Investor Place has broken down a list of potential SPACs to watch for, as well as pre-mergers to be on the lookout for that seem to be coattailing DWAC and Truth Social's merger. You can read the full articles over at investorplace.com. Links are in the description. The 7 SPACs to look out for include Digital World Acquisition, Benacer Capital Acquisition, Social Capital Sophia 6, Pershing Square Tontine Holdings, Forest Road Acquisition 2, Slamcore, and Dune Acquisition. And 7 pre-mergers to look out for are as follows: Armada Acquisition Core 1, Afternext Health Tech Acquisition Group, Axon Prime Infrastructure Acquisition Core, Argus Capital Core, Artemis Strategic Investment Core, Accelerate Acquisition Core, 26 Capital Acquisition Core to close it out. It seems that SPACs will continue to ride the hype caused by the former president, but what do you think? Are SPACs back as healthy investments? Are these acquisitions groups riding the hype of the former president? And what SPAC mergers are you excited about? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this and more details on some of the SPACs we talked about, head on over to investorplace.com where we release articles daily. And as always, check back with us here at the Launchpad where we will continue to look for trends like SPACs and as always, try to shoot for the moon.